Woo! Woo! I'm on my back again. I'm on the road. Hit the road, map. E. Spicy like Bosch dishwashers. Hi, Spicy. Oh yeah. No. Spicy, that's my job. I'm supposed to watch the Bosch dishwasher videos. You no go watch. So there you are. There you are. You've learned something about Spicy. He likes Bosch. No, he doesn't. He put the link in. That was connected to his video when he uploaded it. You think, you're wondering what it is? It's Google Ads. He's got Google Ads like me, like Spicy, like Baron, like M13. We all have Google AdSense, and that means we got Google Ads. So the ads that you see at the start, down here, you know, the banners, at the end, up here, usually that's Google AdSense. We'll go down here for a look, shall we? It does say close, and this is what I can't get. Look, it says under martial control. I've been down here the other day. I was on my bike. I was with my dad in his van. Yeah, good times. Oh. And so, I mean, you probably wonder what Google AdSense is, and should I have it? Right, there's a couple of things you need to learn about Google AdSense. One, if you don't get up to, if you're in the UK, your payment threshold, which is over here, is £60. Or in EU countries, it's €70. Or in America, it's $100. If you don't hit your threshold within, I think it's about 6 months, Google AdSense will close your account for inactivity. So just be aware of that. And you're probably wondering how many views I probably need to earn over the threshold. Now, you gain 1p for every 100 views, without the ads being clicked, and then every time the ads clicked, then it's more pennies for you. There's something up there. I'm gonna have a look up there after. There you get more pennies. Just for a brief guide on a brief guide, but it's not 100% true. To earn £1, you need approximately 1,000 views. So you'll sort of get like 10p just in the views on the video, and then you'll earn an extra 90p. That's all. Look. Why is the speed camera so no when there's no speed camera ahead? It's like wrong way around. Why now it goes so slowly? Oh, that's right, I'm on the hill. And you'll get 90p from your adverts. So, rough guy, you get £1 for every 1,000 views. So we should all know what this is. Do we earn? Can you earn enough to make a living? The answer's 95%. Well, 99%. Nah. No, most people can't live on Google AdSense. It's usually just enough. It's just a few pence for some money in petrol. It's just a few pence for a beer at the pub. You can't really live off it. So for most people, what we earn, that includes me, it's just there, just to help, really, I suppose. And I spend pretty much all my YouTube money back into YouTube, so it doesn't really help. So, like, all my YouTube money that I spend usually goes on petrol, And when it's saved up again, I'll get another camera, probably. If I can be bothered. Or a new microphone, because this one's a bit rubbish. Spicy, he's getting to that point where you could probably live off it. But again, it's not really that much. M13 pretty much does live off it. And if you're probably wondering, get rid of the adverts, don't, because the thing is, the major companies, major channels that you see, like say, I don't know, like Smosh and Make Me Bad, and stuff like that, they only, oh, and Charlie is so cool, like, so I just have to add a UK one in there so I could be not biased, live off Google AdSense. Their whole house, their whole living arrangement is based just on what they earn off Google AdSense. And that means, of course, that they have to keep making videos, or keep making good videos, to keep the audience happy. Ooh, look at that! Yeah. Look, on the road. All those little tiny pebbles. Look! Whee! Look at all those stones! You're not to throw me off my bike! Oh, it is a bit skitty going wrong. Ooh, I'll go slowly. Now, I can either go to Biddle for league. That's not Biddle down there! Right. So, hi Spicy! Hi! And if you're wondering about this Bosch link, should I really find that video again? Go on it. I forgot, I was like gonna give, like, kudos to the guy, but I can't remember his name, who like actually went on the video and put Spicy 110. on the video. But this is, oh, I'll move on to that next in a minute. So I'll see you later, guys. Hold up and out. Bye bye.